guys, welcome to medicaugust. This is Pusha. Let's talk about my hair for a minute because I'm so obsessed with it. This is like after 2 years that my hair is all black, so pretty excited about that. So this video is not about me talking about my hair. I hope you guys are doing really well, and in today's video I am going to unbox my first stethoscope from Lemon. So I was using someone else's stethoscope for like 6-7 months. I'm going to unbox it. So it has a rainbow finish in its chest and the tubing is raspberry. So I was looking for something blue, but since they were out of stock, so I got raspberry. I like it. So yeah, so let's unbox it. Oh, I'm so excited. This is my first stethoscope ever. Okay, so it has a golden finish. Okay, so manual, bills, warranty card, my gosh, almost. It's so bloody nice. Oh my god, look at this rainbow. Oh my god, excuse my sweat on my face because it's so hot here, and I have to turn all the fans off because I'll have to, you know, cut all the audio. And I have my name engraved in here. Can you see it? Pooja Casey. I think I should write medicaugust here somewhere. Here maybe, I don't know. Oh my god, see, that's my name. And once I finish my MBBS, I'll add doctor here. It's so cool. Okay, this is raspberry. I am super excited. How do I look? Do I look like a doctor already? And I'll finally be using my own stethoscope in my own favorite color. I was looking for a stethoscope with rainbow finish before getting admitted to med school. So you guys can see, right? Oh my god. And I have my name engraved, and it has a golden finish with raspberry tubing. Do I need anything else in this world? And then there's one more thing, and this is a earpiece and extra this chest. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.